Please welcome the Miracle Production. Team MJT. First off, from Cebu, Timor Asuke. The multi-awarded Latin champion, Mr. Jumil Bacalso. Second place, Amateur Latin Original Costume Director, Kian Iral. The 2019 Blackpool Latin Senior Amateur Champions, Arriba Director, Serge Machon Jr. and Lina Machon. The Legend 1, Transport Coach, and Educator, Coach Jeremy Morales. And Coach Arthur Wallace. And finally, the Star Tonight Show. Blackpool Roland Latin finalist, our Disney princess, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Mirka. Flowers for Megan to be awarded by Miss